Hi, in this video we'll be looking at how to work with graphic in Microsoft PowerPoint. Alright, so in our previous video we just given basic introduction to PowerPoint and want to show you how to work with graphics here. So if you have any graphic that you insert, you would realize that you have sizing handles to work with, and these just allow you to resize your graphic in different directions. Okay, so you can do it horizontally, you can do it vertically using your vertical sizing handle here, or you can just do it diagonally using your diagonal sizing handle. There's also the option here for rotating using your rotational handle, and you can see there we can do a lot there, okay, with that. Alright, so what if we wanted to format our picture? We have picture tools here on top of your title bar, and underneath you have the option for format. Picture styles allows you to do a number of things here, adding like frames and so on to your picture. So let's say we wanted to apply, okay, this one is perspective shadow white. Then we can select this option here, or reflected bevel black. Let's work with this one. Click on that option, you'll notice that your picture is now formatted. So these are just quick style formatting options. And then here over this side we have options for correction. So if you wanted to change the brightness to a certain percentage, like 20%, and then minus 40% of the contrast, we could do it here. Okay, so let's click on that option. Over in this section we can change the color for the border. That's the picture border section. So let's say we want it to be red. Okay, and let's say we wanted the weighting to be 4.4.5. We could do it here as well. And picture effects, we have that option here. So let's say we wanted to change the shadow effect here. We could do that. So this one is we'll have more shadow options down the bottom here. Let's click on that, more shadow options, and here we can do a number of things. So if we wanted to change the size, we could do it here, the blur and the angle and the distance. We can do all of those adjustments right there. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I hope this video helped you to understand more about working with graphics in PowerPoint, and if it did, click on the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.